Hi everyone, my name's Mike and I'm back with another weekly tech tip. Did you know that Microsoft Outlook has a nifty little feature that can keep you out of some serious hot water? Let me set the stage. You get an email from a client, coworker, or even your boss that has you a tad bit hot under the collar. Well, most people allow their emotions to get the best of them, so they reply with a heated email, and all of a sudden, you have a barrage of emails going back and forth, everyone's upset with each other, and before you know it, an hour or two has flown by. Well, I may have the perfect solution for you, or better yet, Microsoft Outlook does. The feature is called Send Later. Depending on your version of Outlook, the Send Later option is located as a drop-down option in the typical Send button or right next to it. Again, depending on your version of Outlook, this location may vary. So, how do you use it? Draft up your email, and instead of sending it immediately, choose to send it later. I usually queue up all my responses for 5 p.m. and have them go out all at once versus allowing email to rule my daily schedule. This not only prevents accidental outbursts, but also saves you in terms of productivity and efficiency throughout the day. Many of our clients report serious gains because they're no longer chained to their inbox all day. Well, there you have it. Send Later, the nifty little feature many users don't know about. Tune in regularly for future tech tips.